By the end of this video, you will know how to enter Form 1116 Foreign Tax Credit in TurboTax. Start by signing into your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once you are inside the return, go to the Federal section, then open Deductions and Credits. Scroll down until you reach Estimates and Other Taxes Paid, and select Foreign Taxes. TurboTax will open the foreign tax credit flow on the screen that says we will check if you are eligible for the foreign tax credit. Click Continue. Next, you will see the Uncommon Situation screen. Review the choices on that page and select any that apply to your situation. If none apply, choose None of these apply, then Continue. On the Foreign Earned Income screen, click Continue. After that, TurboTax will show a foreign taxes screen that explains Form 1116. Continue again, then move through the Reporting Foreign Taxes Paid screen by clicking Continue there as well. The next screen asks about other income or expenses. On the No Other Income or Expenses screen, answer whether all of your foreign taxes were reported only with interest and dividend income, and whether you have no foreign income adjustments or expenses. Read both parts carefully before you continue, since this answer affects how TurboTax handles the credit. You will then arrive at the Foreign Taxes Paid screen. Enter your country of residence, the date the foreign taxes were paid, and whether the taxes were paid or accrued. After those entries are in place, click Continue. TurboTax will next ask about carryovers or carrybacks. Indicate whether you have any foreign tax credit, carryovers, or carrybacks. If you answer yes, enter any foreign tax credit carryovers from prior years and continue. If TurboTax prompts you for foreign tax credit carryover adjustments, answer that screen and continue as well. If prompted, enter any AMT foreign tax credit carryovers, then continue to any AMT foreign tax credit carryover adjustment screen and indicate whether adjustments are needed. If TurboTax asks about a 2024 carryback adjustment, enter the amount if it applies to you. If you do not have one, select No and Continue. From there, keep answering the remaining Form 1116 questions that TurboTax presents. The exact prompts can vary based on the answers you entered earlier, so move through each screen in order and make sure your responses match your tax documents. When TurboTax completes the Foreign Tax Credit section, review all of the entries you made, check the country, payment date, paid or accrued selection, and any carryover or carryback information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, continue with the rest of your tax return. Your Form 1116 foreign tax credit information is now entered in TurboTax.